Hi friends, welcome to Eat at Last. Today we're going to be making salad dressing recipes. These recipes are healthy, easy to make, and take just about 5 minutes to prepare. Without much further ado, let's get to it. We start with the avocado, cilantro, and lime dressing.
Not counting the salt and pepper, you're going to need 5 ingredients. 1 medium to large avocado.
To make this recipe even creamier, we're going to be using Greek yogurt.
So combine a 1/4 cup Greek yogurt.
I have seen some recipes use mayonnaise, but in this case we use Greek yogurt because this increases the creaminess as well as the protein content without the extra calories. Our avocado and cilantro dressing is also oil-free.
Add in a handful of fresh cilantro, about 1/2 cup. Avocado. The avocado you're using should be ripe enough so the dressing doesn't end up bitter. Add in your cloves of garlic, 1 to 2 should be okay. Salt and pepper to taste. Next goes in the juice of 1 lime, and we're just going to process this using a hand blender or food processor. You then want to adjust the consistency of the dressing with some water or milk as preferred. Once done, check and adjust the salt and pepper, and we are done.
Use it on your burritos, tacos, egg dishes, healthy bowls, and more.
Next, we make some olive oil and lemon dressing. For this, we're going to combine olive oil in a mixing jar or bowl, 1/3 cup. We are also going to be using some garlic, 1 to 2 cloves, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey or maple syrup to sweeten the dressing. Add some salt and pepper to taste. Next, we add in some lemon juice, 1/2 cup. We then add a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Whisk or shake to combine. This lemon and olive oil dressing is so versatile, it goes well with just about anything from chopped salads to pasta salads and more. Next, we make a tahini and Greek yogurt dressing. In a small bowl, marmalade or jam jar, we're going to combine 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. For our acidic component, we use some lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. That's the juice of half a medium-sized lemon. Next goes in our Greek yogurt. I'm using 1/2 cup. You then want to add your tahini, but before doing so, just make sure to give it a good stir. This helps incorporate the oil and the paste. We use 1/3 cup of tahini, then sweeten with a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Thin out the dressing with a few tablespoons of water. You can also add some fresh mint leaves to eat. I was hoping to catch some from my garden, but as you can see, they were not so good. So I only managed to grab a few mint leaves. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then give it a mix to combine.
The tahini yogurt dressing goes well with kebabs, shawarma, or let's just say wraps in general.
Next, I'm making a pesto and balsamic salad dressing. For this, we're going to combine 1/4 cup of pesto, 1/4 cup olive oil, balsamic vinegar 3 tablespoons, about a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, salt and pepper to taste. Give this a good whisk or shake in a jar to combine and serve.
Next, we're going to be making a balsamic dressing. This balsamic dressing is sugar-free and keto-friendly.
For the keto balsamic dressing, we combine balsamic vinegar 2 tablespoons, some olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and a sugar-free sweetener of choice.
Feel free to use your favorite low-carb sweeteners.
We then want to whisk or shake this in a closed jar to combine. If you prefer, you can also add in your favorite chopped, fresh or dried herbs.
And finally, we make a creamy strawberry poppy seed salad dressing. To make it, we combine
Fresh strawberries. If you like, you can also pop in a clove of garlic in there. I didn't use it. Feel free to use it if you like. We just want to blend this. Then you're going to add a cup of Greek yogurt, honey or maple syrup to sweeten the dressing, about a teaspoon. Next goes in some lemon juice, followed by some olive oil, quarter cup. For the acidic component, we use red wine vinegar. Season the dressing with some salt and pepper to taste. Then we add in our poppy seeds. You'll need 1.5 teaspoons. Whisk or shake to combine.
Serve this strawberry poppy seed dressing with spinach salad, fried goat cheese. You can also simply just pour it over fresh goat cheese. It goes well with beetroot salads and chopped salads, just to mention a few. It also adds a tangy and sweet flavor to fruit salads. I hope you enjoyed watching these easy and healthy salad dressing recipes. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe as well as click on the notification button below so you get notified each time I upload a new video. I'm glad you stopped by, and until next time,